Ja, jetzt setzen.
The fawn drops and the thief abandons the prize. For a mother here, failure is not loss alone, but the ending of a bloodline. Above them, another baboon has seen everything. He descends with a colder patience. He does not rush the herd. Not a thief now, a shadow among hooves. They live beside one another every day, close enough to share the same grass, close enough to forget the danger. Baboons are not simple raiders. They are watchful, calculating animals, clever enough to turn calm into a weapon. He studies the spaces between bodies, the blind moments, the places where trust can be used against them. To the impalas, this is almost reassuring. A hunter that waits too openly can begin to look like no hunter at all. But these creatures are intelligent opportunists. Every second he does nothing, he becomes harder to fear. A male impala is built for sudden force. His horns are made for rivals, but his speed and weight alone can turn a thief back. Now he learned, he chooses more carefully. No males, only mothers, only the fragile edge of the herd. He finds the one. This time he runs for a refuge the mother cannot reach. The baboon grips the fawn awkwardly, shifting from one hand to the other as the weight fights against him. The fawn twists, the hold fails. But she is already there, speaking in the only language she has, touch. A nudge to wake the body, a lick to call it back from shock. The fawn rises as if life itself is uncertain of its footing, then folds again into the dust. Above them, the baboon watches. He is close enough to see life return and too far to claim it. And in that weakness, the baboon sees the opening. The mother is fixed on the fallen fawn, her whole world narrowed to its trembling body. So he descends, close enough to feel the heat of her warning. It is a calculated cruelty. Baboons know how to read a reaction and how to turn anger into a trap. The fawn is left without its shield. A feint of the hands, a last insult. He wants her fixed on him, not on what lies behind her. This is the moment he wanted, not the mother gone forever, only gone long enough. Had she reached him a few seconds sooner, the fawn might have been hers again. But the tree gives the baboon just enough height to turn rescue into helpless watching. Now he has balance and time. Between the branches, the prize becomes a burden. The branch strikes against the fawn as he shifts and drags it closer. A lunge, a kick, a last refusal. But each movement only makes the hold more unstable. The baboon hauls it back again, harder this time, caught between hunger, balance, and frustration. He pulls it back sharply, then shakes it, not with the clean purpose of a hunter, but with the careless impatience of an animal trying to end resistance quickly. Then one slip changes everything. Her first instinct is still rescue. She nudges him again and again, trying to pull him away from the base of the tree where it all went wrong. Slowly, awkwardly, she pushes the small body across the ground, as if distance might undo what has already happened. She is expecting movement, expecting life to answer her touch. But the small body does not rise this time. What she fought to protect has been returned to her, only when it can no longer be saved. The smell of death is already there. Only she refuses it. She chooses to stay, like her presence alone might call him back. One final sniff, just to be certain. Grief has left its place. Hunger takes it. What was a child to her becomes a meal to him. And the savannah does not pause for loss. It feeds.